We are pleased to show you 2011 Infiniti G37. The G37, a deeper level of performance, a new level of exhilaration. The car is blistering quick, yet returns 21 miles per gallon overall. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, rollover protection system, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, convertible. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.